Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today in this video we are gonna discuss about that how can we get this type of sections in our YouTube video. So if you want to know the method, you have to subscribe the channel. The method is so much easy. So the video in which you want to get the sections, you have to open it. I have opened it in two tabs, in which we will check that change occurred or not. So simply scroll down in your YouTube video and click on edit video. When you will click on edit video, it will redirect you to a new page where some details of your video will shown. So in the description box you have to write the things that you have to show in your video. You will not able to make changes if you will not try this method 2-3 times in your video. So it is a little tricky. So in the second video I will see where will I put the descriptions. So you can see it 0:18 seconds, means 18 seconds I have to plot a title. So we will open our description box. Now here firstly you have to write 0 seconds, means here I will write intro, then ratio, then space, then open bracket 0 ratio 0. Remember that you should not forget to write 0 ratio 0 in first title. It's a little reverse method. And then now from 18 seconds I have started the main video, so we will write this in our video introduction description box. Here we will write main content, then ratio space open bracket 0 ratio 2-3, then bracket close. We will see next thing
after 15 days or apply
from 2-3 to 3-5, means 35 seconds. We will plot a new title, then date shown, then ratio, then bracket open 0 ratio 3-5, means 35 seconds, bracket close. So it is a tutorial video. That's why I'm plotting only 3 titles in the video. And now the main thing comes, you have to save the video. Here the save options, now click on it, your video will be saved. Now you can see change saved. We'll see it in our second page. Here we will refresh our page. Now you can see that the sections have been made. See, here we made the sections in video. So it's a little tricky method. If you will try it 2-3 times in your video, then you will be able to apply it. And do not forget to subscribe the channel.